Courses in the cement industry. Present to you. In this course, you will see the most important steps to change the main gearbox for vertical mill. Dismantling procedure. 1. Stop mill, clean table and scrapper room. 2. Raise the rollers, and secure them mechanically. 3. Adjust table on position of new gearbox, pins position. 4. Dismantle drive motor. 5. Mount 3 support rings on ring duct. 6. Dismantle the cover from center of the table. 7. Dismantle super bolts of table. We follow together, dismantling procedure. 8. Install flange on the hydraulic jacks, after inserting intermediate supports in the table. 9. Extend the 3 jacks, with supplied hand lever pumps. 10. Install 3 supports of table. 11. Uniformly lower the table onto the supports. 12. Insert safety distance holder. 13. Drain lubrication oil. 14. Dismantle all oil lubrication connections from gearbox, remove 2 pins of gearbox base plate. We follow together, dismantling procedure. 15. Dismantle electric connections of gearbox. 16. Dismantle all super bolts of gearbox base plate. 17. Dismantle drive coupling. 18. Lift gearbox, and install Teflon sheets with oil film. 19. Pull the gearbox on its rail till lifting point. 20. Lift the gearbox by crane, 300 tons. Step 1. Stop mill, clean table, and ring duct room. Step 2. Raise the rollers, and secure them mechanically. Step 3. Adjust table on position of new gearbox pins position. Step 4. Dismantle drive motor. Step 5. Dismantle the cover, from center of the table. Step 6. Dismantle super bolts of table. Step 7. Install flange on the hydraulic jacks, after inserting intermediate supports in the table. Step 8. Extend the 3 jacks, with supplied hand lever pumps. Step 9. Install 3 supports of table. Step 10. Uniformly lower the table onto the supports. Step 11. Dismantle electric connections of gearbox. Step 12. Dismantle all oil lubrication connections from gearbox. Step 13. Dismantle 2 pins of gearbox base plate. Step 14. Dismantle all super bolts of gearbox base plate. Step 15. Lift gearbox and install Teflon sheets with oil film. Step 16. Pull the gearbox on its rail till lifting point. Step 17. Lift the gearbox by crane. Step 18. Dismantle drive coupling. Mounting procedures. 1. Clean table base. 2. Clean base plate, and check level according tolerance. 3. Lift new gearbox by crane, 300 tons, to its rail. 4. Pull the gearbox onto rail till base plate. 5. Check position of gearbox pins to table. 6. Lift table by jacks, and remove supports, and distance holder. We follow together, mounting procedures. 7. Lower table carefully on gearbox. 8. Install super bolts of table. 9. Install cover of table. 10. Adjust position of gearbox, install pins to base plates. 11. Install super bolts gearbox. 12. Install drive coupling. We follow together, mounting procedures. 13. Check lubrication oil unit, and change all filters. 14. Install all lubrication oil connection. 15. Install electrical connection. 16. Install drive motor. 17. Start oil lubrication, by flashing oil. 18. Adjust motor, gearbox, and coupling alignment. Step 1. Clean table base. Step 2. Check base plate level. Step 3. Clean base plate, and gearbox base. Step 4. Lift new gearbox by crane, 300 tons, to its rail. Step 5. Pull the gearbox, onto rail till base plate. Step 6. Check position of gearbox pins to table. Step 7. Lift table by jacks, and remove supports. Step 8. Lower table carefully on gearbox. Step 9. Install supper bolts of table, and tight with torque, 210 Newton per meter. Step 10. Install cover of table. Step 11. Adjust position of gearbox, install pins to base plates. Step 10. Install supper bolts of gearbox, and tight with torque, 210 Newton per meter. Step 11. Check lubrication oil unit, and change all filters. Step 12. Install all lubrication oil connection. Step 13. Install electrical connection. Step 14. Install drive motor. Step 15. Check tolerance of coupling. Step 16. Install drive coupling. Step 17. Make oil flashing, for 8 hours. Step 18. Adjust coupling alignment. Step 19. Charge new lubricating oil. Step 20. No load test run, for 8 hours. Step 21. 80% load test run, for 24 hours. Step 22. 100%, load test run. Step 23. Check Tighten of gearbox base plate, super bolts after 100 hours. Step 24. Check Tighten of table super bolts, after 100 hours. Thank you for watching, and I hope these courses are helpful to everyone. Subscribing to this channel Cement Industry Courses would be appreciated. Thank you.